Sea Ray's premium SLX line continues its evolution with the introduction of the SLX 280 Outboard, our latest next-generation boat. The SLX 280 Outboard showcases modern and athletic hull-side sculpting with a range of features that elevate the boating experience. Hi, I'm Joey Sharp, Director of Product for Sea Ray Boats. Welcome to the new SLX 280 Outboard. The SLX 280 Outboard showcases a modern, sophisticated design with sleek exterior lines that are the hallmark of Sea Ray's new design language. Continuing through the interior, the design is seamlessly incorporated into the boat's luxurious finishes as well as its smart seating and helm layouts. Like other next-generation Sea Rays, everything aboard this SLX 280 Outboard, from bow to stern, has been carefully considered by our design and engineering teams. The yacht-certified boat has an overall length of 31 feet, 5 inches, and a beam of 9 feet. For added comfort and functionality, its layout has been designed for optimal cockpit and seating space. The SLX 280 Outboard is powered by twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verado engines with joystick piloting. If something needs servicing, the engines are easily accessible. The standard outboard package enables a cruising speed of approximately 30 to 32 miles per hour at 4,000 RPMs, providing a range of roughly 179 miles. Here at the transom, the large integrated swim platform features a concealable stainless steel 4-step ladder with grab handles. In addition, you'll find a pull-out sprayer, part of the water system bundle, and a Fusion NRX 300 remote, part of the entertainment bundle's premier audio upgrade. This boat also showcases optional SeaDeck flooring for non-skid traction and comfort. The expanded transom sun pad offers waterside relaxation with unique storage spaces underneath. A compartment under the sun pad can be filled with ice and drinks for an integrated cooler or used as dry storage for lines. Located portside under the sun pad is a large storage compartment with a gas-assisted lid that keeps inflatables, mats, and water toys out of the way when not in use. The transom also includes conveniences like cup holders, USB outlets, a two-way acrylic door, and an optional fold-down boarding step. In the cockpit, the SLX 280 Outboard offers deeper seating that promotes ergonomics and comfort. Redesigned for added luxury and more room, the cockpit features a social area with ample seating and storage below with hinged and gas-assisted access. There's also L-shaped bench seating with more storage below. For convenience and flexibility, the cockpit can be enhanced with a starboard end table, showcasing an inductive charging station, 2 additional cup holders, and a storage compartment. Continuing through the cockpit, there's cooler storage for up to 2 soft-sided coolers, an optional drawer-style refrigerator, and a teak table is available with the comfort bundle. A large compartment in the cockpit floor can be used to store water skis, wakeboards, and other water sports gear. Throughout the cockpit, amenities seamlessly blend with the environment like LED courtesy lights, cup holders, side panel storage, USB outlets, handrails, and Fusion speakers and components. This boat also features optional SeaDeck flooring. Overhead, the SLX 280 Outboard includes Sea Ray's next-generation power tower with an extendable sunshade. The tower can be easily raised or lowered with the touch of a button. Depending on your preferences, it can be upgraded with Fusion Signature Series tower speakers and swiveling wakeboard racks. Select both the lighting bundle, offering LED RGBW color-changing lighting, and the power tower options for a projection light with the Sea Ray logo on the cockpit floor. At the helm, captaining is made easy with the latest technologies for navigation and seamless control. The SLX 280 Outboard is equipped with standard dual digital dash with Simrad 9-inch touchscreen displays, or the dash can be upgraded to 12-inch Simrad displays shown here. The displays offer C-Zone digital switching, Mercury engine data, active trim control and monitoring, a chart plotter, depth finder, and more. Control is truly at your fingertips at the helm. You can access the SmartCraft DTS, monitor the boat's systems, or adjust the color of the optional RGBW accent and underwater lighting. In addition, you can play your favorite music on the Fusion Premier audio system available with the entertainment bundle. Also part of the entertainment bundle, you can keep your phone secure and charge using the integrated inductive charging stations. The helm offers comfortable seating while underway or at anchor with a standard 2-person sliding and swiveling bucket seat with flip-up bolster. The port companion bucket seat also swivels and slides and offers a flip-up bolster. Located next to the seats, side panels house cup holders, USB outlets, and Fusion speakers. Moving below, the gas-assisted bilge compartment houses the boat's mechanical components. Our designers made sure to consider accessibility and storage when designing the space to facilitate any maintenance or service needs. The SLX 280 Outboard has a storage compartment or optional head under the port console that's accessible from the cockpit. The access door is secured with a locking latch and is magnetically held in place when open. For uninterrupted cruising, the compartment can be upgraded with your choice of head, vanity with a sink, and a trash can. Moving forward, the bow is accessible through a single-piece block-off door. You'll pass by a compartment with a concealed trash can and remote key switches. The bow is the perfect place to relax and socialize. It features U-shaped lounge-style seating with forward-facing seats with foldable armrests. The cushions are hinged to reveal under-seat storage. Cup holders and side panel storage keep drinks and small items secure. For bow coverage, a sunshade system is available. A teak bow table and filler cushion can be added with the comfort bundle. There's also an extended storage space located under the starboard seating to stow tables and filler cushions. Other bow upgrades include a stainless steel 4-step boarding ladder, or select the anchor bundle for a windlass and a stainless steel anchor. The SLX 280 Outboard is optimized for space and function, so you can focus on fun and making memories with loved ones. The boat presents upscale amenities, powerful propulsion, and innovative features with a variety of bundle upgrades to complement your lifestyle and boating needs. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the SLX 280 Outboard. To learn more, to find your local dealer, or build your own, please visit us at searay.com.